Hi guys, we've got a good one lined up for you today. But first off, the brush. Here we go. Razor Emporium 24mm Badger brush. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker there. And we'll be back in a minute. And we're back here. There it is. Been in the soaker for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's have a rundown. You've seen, haven't you? We're going to be using Rex Supply Co. There you go, 1955 Splash soap. This is a beautiful, it's a very soft croak, very soft, beautiful. Floral scent, really nice. Enjoy that. I put some in the bowl, in the official John Shaves Super Soaker bowl. The razor we're going to be using is the Rex Envoy, very kindly gifted to me by Scouse Ian. Thank you, Ian. 3-piece, non-adjustable razor. We're going to put that in. And the blade we're going to be using, the star of today's show here, it is, check that out, the Rex Supply Company Platinum razor blades. See that on the back? Teflon coated Swedish steel, made in the Czech Republic. Here you go, went on the website, the Rex Supply Co. Platinum double-edged razor blades from £2.25. You asked, we delivered. Everyone requested that we recommend a blade that will work best with our Rex razor line. So they recommend, well, they would do for the Rex razor line. And now we can, introducing the Rex Supply Co. Platinum double-edged razor blade. Our razor blades are made from high quality Swedish stainless steel, known for its exceptional durability and sharpness. This ensures that you get a precise and efficient shave every time. With a combination of chrome and platinum coating, they are the perfect pair for your Rex safety razors. Featuring an added nano Teflon layer, our platinum blades deliver an exceptionally close, comfortable shaving experience. Each pillar contains 20 tucks of 5 blades, giving you 100 blades. Below you will find the aggressiveness rating for the Rex Supply Co. Platinum razor blade. Okay, aggressiveness rating. Can you see it there? I don't know if you can. I'll do that. Sorry. Can you see it? That better. Aggressiveness rating, 1 being mild and 5 being aggressive. Rex Supply Co. razor 4.5, made in the Czech Republic. So they put it quite aggressive, 4.5. So let's see. I'll try and get them open first. I'm sorry, I'm going to sneeze. Woo! There you go. It's been a long day, guys. It's late. It's about 7:30 in the evening when I'm making this. Okay, so let's get this. I've seen lots of reviews of these blades and the reputation precedes them. Everybody universally likes them. I haven't seen a bad review on them yet. They come very well. I like this packaging. I do. I like that tuck. I like this. Check this out. Here we go. Revisit Excellence. That's what the Rex stands for. Revisit Excellence. Rex. Just in case you didn't know. So let's have a look. We'll get that. Double wrapped. No glue on the inner wrapper, which I like. Look at this. And there you go. Laser etched on. Can you see it? I'll try and get it so that the light hits it. It says Rex. What does that say? Rex Platinum. There you go. On the blade. So we're going to get that in there. So this should be, I was going to use the Ambassador, but I wanted to get a feel for the blade, and I thought the adjustableness of the Ambassador, I think you get a feel for where the blade's sitting when you put it in a non-adjustable razor. Well, I do anyway. For the first time, we'll know. Look at this. Look at how that blade is sitting in there. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Yeah, we got that, yeah. Yep, we're going to put that in there. That's us. All ready to go. Hey, listen to this. Listen to this. Do you remember this? A gentleman asked, is that in the Mexico one? Yes, it is made in Mexico. I just noticed as I was coming in here. I will answer you in the comments after this video. But yeah, that is made in Mexico. The brute, do you remember I said it smelt stronger and fresher than the English one? And I was toying with the idea of decanting it into glass. Well, I did. I decanted this into an old glass brute bottle. That's the English brute. Check this out, guys. The American stuff after decanting. Look at that. Just thought I'd show you. Some people said it's only dye. It means nothing. But here, this is the American one. And I filled it right up to the top there. I'm telling you that because I filled it up last night. I got up for work this morning. I was getting ready. Just before I walked out of the door, I thought, what the heck? And splashed some on. Right? I didn't work. All I did. Went in work some 3.5 hours later. Rep Terry came in, beautiful young woman, lovely, very good at her job, very savvy. She came, she gave me a hug. She went, John, you always smell fantastic. I never thought anything of it. About 1.5 hours after this, so we're talking 5.5 hours after initial putting on, I was in a company, in a big warehouse, in a train repair place, doing my job. A guy walked about 4 feet behind me. He went, he stopped, he come back. He went, what is that aftershave you're wearing? I said, it's brute. He said, it smells so nice. So 5.5 hours later, from 4 feet away, the guy could smell this stuff. So I don't know, that's an endorsement for me. Anyway, let's crack on with this shave. How are you all doing? It's an all Rex shave, really, isn't it? You could say Rex brush, Rex razor, Rex blade, Rex soap, and Rex splash. Here we go. There you go. We'll dip that in that. We'll do the old. Should we keep? I like this. This works for me. There you go. Come on. Yeah. Let's stop now. Now, come on, we'll go with that. Let's get in there. Oh, so how are you all doing? I ordered these blades when they very first came out. They've only just got to me. So, yeah, we will use them and we'll see where we go. Like I said, the reputation precedes them. Yeah, and that's it. There isn't a lot since the Saturday shave. It's just all bed and work, you know, bed and work, bed and work, bed and work, bed and work. Right. Come on, let's crack on. I'm eager to get on with this shave. And try these blades. The Rex Ambassador is an absolute beautiful razor, as is the Rex Envoy. And if you didn't know, but you probably do, the Ambassador is adjustable. The Envoy is about 3.5 on the Ambassador, if you wanted to know. If you got the Rex Ambassador and you put it on 3.5, that's, you've got the same as an Envoy there. And I know that because I asked Matt Persasi at Razor Emporium, he emailed me back. So there you go. So here we go. Big hopes, big plans for the yeah, wow. Well, it's certainly sharp, I can tell you that. And it is. It's actually very, very smooth. So it's living up to its hype. And like I said, I suppose really the true test of it would be in a Rex, wouldn't it? Going up, going down, this, that and the other, really putting it through its paces. And if you want to see that, I'm more than happy to do that. But yeah, wow. I'll be honest with you guys, this is a very, very smooth blade. This is a very smooth blade indeed. Goes very, very well. I suppose it would do, wouldn't it? Because they would know the dynamics of this razor and the intricacies and the measurements. So there you go. That's the first pass done. You be the judge. My beard was like iron filings. It's took it down, hasn't it, guys? It has. It's taken it down. So that's it. First pass. Absolutely wonderful. So what are you shaving with? Let me know in the comments. I've got to be honest, I never thought I'd be doing an all wreck shave. But here we are, we're doing it. Second pass. I've got a razor planned for my Saturday shave, but I think maybe next Wednesday. If you want to see it, I'll use the Rex Ambassador with the Rex blade. And we'll crunch those settings and we'll see how it does, eh? But yeah, like I said, its reputation precedes it. I haven't seen a bad review on it yet. I'll tell you right now, the reputation it's got so far is accurate. Yeah. That's a very sharp and very smooth blade. It really, really is. So let's get the last bits out of here for the last pass. And that's it. So it's just been work. Like I said, it's Tuesday evening. Because I've been lumbered with something. I was tired today. There's a reason why I'm tired, I just can't remember. I think I went to bed late and didn't sleep very well Sunday night. But I was going to film this Wednesday. But I learned something today. About the job I'm doing in work tomorrow. And I've got to be honest, I'm probably not going to feel like filming when I come home tomorrow. So there you go. Yeah. I am mightily impressed with this blade, guys. This. And I've got no axe to grind. I bought these blades with my own money. Razor Emporium have never given me anything, and nor do I want them to. Do you know what I mean? That's not what I'm saying. But they haven't sent me these for free for an honest evaluation. I paid for these on my own money, and if they didn't work, I would tell you. But wow. These are phenomenal, guys. This is wow. I'll tell you, like, these are a phenomenal blade. The height, and what Razor Emporium say about these blades is absolutely spot on. Very sharp, but very smooth. The smoothness. The smoothness is what comes through to me. It's a very, very smooth blade indeed. What would I compare it to? I would compare it to the Schick blades that I like so much. But I would say these are smoother even than the Schick blades. But I'd put the Schick blades a little bit sharper maybe. But I prefer these. This is a lot smoother. Look at it. Hey, we're virtually BBS already, guys. We're BBS already. We'll do them leather mittens. Look at this. our all Rex shave. There's nothing there, guys. There's absolutely nothing there. So come on. Yeah, wow. I'll tell you what. I am mightily impressed with those blades. That was a very smooth shave though. Everyone was saying they were smooth. Matt Passat was saying they were smooth. But you think, oh, well, yeah, they would do, wouldn't they? Not that they're not, but then you would do, wouldn't you, if you'd made something, you know. But look at this, guys. Look, we did okay. That is BBS. That, dare I say it, is the best shave I've had from a Rex Envoy. There you go. And there they are. These little beauties here. Rex supply blades. Very, very sharp. Very, very smooth. I may just take that out, dry it off, and use it next week in the Rex on a second use to get a better idea of how it goes. Here you go. I'm not putting any balm on today because I wanted an all Rex shave. Look at that. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That is absolutely wonderful. Hey, we did okay, guys, didn't we? We did okay. Our first all Rex shave, and it's been absolutely wonderful. Verdict on the blades, phenomenal. Blade of the year thus far for me. What would I compare them to? I would compare them to the Schick, but the Schick are a hair's width sharper. These are a lot smoother than the Schick. These are a really good, sharp, smooth blade. Absolutely wonderful. No buyer's remorse from John. Okay, look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. I don't know what we're going to be using yet for the soap, but whatever it is, going to be good, isn't it? Bye.